Welcome. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-37, the front drawbar for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-37, the front drawbar for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's open up template, MMGS. And on this we will... interesting piece. So we'll go to top piece, sketch. We will do triangle, center. This way we're going to be doing some trimming. The smart dimension, this is going to be 100 this way. And this is going to be 67 plus 16, 83. And it's going to be depth of B2. So, actually, before we don't do the depth yet. Let's not do the depth yet. That's there. So first off, we need to grab this line and go. Actually, no. Before we do, we're going to do a circle. We're going to do 2 circles. We're going further down that one to that one. Make it horizontal. Oh, sorry, vertical. Now we want this one. The other one's going to be 12. The other one's going to be 32. Now this one here. Oh no, not going to do that. Forget that. A measure. That's going to be from this point. That edge to the center will be 67. Now should be touching that line. Beautiful. Now we want to grab this one, the line tool, go past it, and there. Grab that one, just delete, we don't need it. I just do that, just saves excellent clicking again. Right, this mark, this point, and this point will be horizontal dimension. This point, the corner piece to the point of the line, will be 6 mil. Beautiful. Now we want to grab this line and the circumference of the circle. We want to make that not tangent. Oh, tangent. Sorry, yeah, tangent. And again, with this line, with the outer circle circumference, it's going to be tangent. Get our trim tool. Want to cut that one out. That one out. That, and that. Cut all them out. Cut that one. That one. And those two. And we should close in. Perfect. That's what we want. Okay, so that's cool. Go to feature, extrude. This is going to be 32. But mid-plane. Now, mid-plane, this would definitely come in handy. Well, there's a couple of ways to do what you need to do a couple moves time. But first, to do that. Okay, perfect. Now we want right plane, normal, and sketch. So now we need to do a normal rectangle. I'll go there. This one's going to line up with, these two are going to line up together. Nope, that's not it. Okay, that's another way to do it. Smart mention. Six, beautiful. It's going to be from this line to the outside lane. Oh, that's smart to mention, didn't I? This line to this line is going to be 6 as well. Then let me just move that up so we don't get it wrong. That's 6, yep. Oh, I'll undo that, thank you. I missed the line. Well, this line to that line, there we go. That's going to be 6. Now by rights, these two should be 20. Yep, 20. Perfect. Now it doesn't matter about this one because it can be over. You can line up there if you want to, but this is going to be a cut through. So in the middle there, so now we go to through cut. All right, through all. Now see how, see how the line didn't go all the way through? They went so fast. Line's got different measurements, so we want through all, direction 2, and through all, and done. There's that part done, but we're not finished yet. So we have 2 supports inside here, which adds strength to it. Now, you do this one of 2 ways. You can do it from the top straight through, or you can go middle plane and through either way. They might do it that way, because the other way we've done a few times. So, well, top plane, normal 2. No, not top plane, up front, and through. Now we want. No, we don't need to change that. So now this one will be, where are we? Oh, not cut yet. I thought it did cut. Cut. There we go. We want square. So we want 2 of those. 1, 2. Now, let's say a little bit of time. I'm going to click this one and this one. That's going to be equal. That one and that one is going to be equal. Those 2 are going to be horizontal. And there we go. So we do adjustment on one. We do adjustment on the other. Okay, so now it's going to be 6 mil wide. Smart dimension. 6. It's going to be from the this edge to that edge. It's going to be 6. It's going to be from this edge to this edge, going to be 28. And between the 2, going to be 32. So this to here should be 28. Great, perfect. And the distance, let's make that 32. But it's roughly that length, so nothing fits in it. This just adds strength to this piece here. So when they hook something on and tow it, it just adds strength to it. Now we are in the middle, so we're in the middle plane. But now that should be everything. Everything's black, so everything is measured. Now if we go to feature, extrude, go to up to next. Direction 2, up to next. There you go. See, it goes up there, and okay. There we go. It is now there. Okay, we need to put 2 more holes in. Let me go to normal. Sketch. These holes are 8 millimeters. Actually, no, 3 holes. Sorry, 1 middle, 2, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. So hole, and these are halfway. Yep, so it should line up with that perfectly. 1, 2, and 3. Let's just centralize this. 1, 2, and 3. Now by rights, that should not be able to move. Oop. Yeah, I can't. I can move that way, but not up and down. I can do the size, haven't done that yet. So that is what I said, 8mm. Yep. So that's 8mm. So grab that one, and that one, make equal. And there's 38 from the center hole to each side. So from there to there, it's going to be 38. Wasn't too far off. Cool. And that one's going to be the same. A bit further off. And that one's done. Okay, so now we can feature, extrude, through all, and okay. There we go. That's almost done. We're going further. Let's save this before we're going further. There we go. Don't worry, though. This is part, what, 137? 1-37. Beautiful. Okay, now we want fillet. And that's going to be... Wait, what's that look like? All these are going to be fillet. Around the hole as well. In here. Pretty much everything's fillet. You know what? Let me cancel that. It's going to be an easier way. Let's go back and fillet. One. Click the face. Click the face. 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 Now that should be technically everything done. Then you click these because we've got that one there. Let's see what happens. There we go. See? That was a lot quicker. Oh. It's doing that hole for some reason. Let's go into edit. And okay. There we go. Holes are done. Doesn't matter if these are done because it still goes against their fine, so. And done that little bit there. That's cool. So that is that piece done. Excellent. So let me go into that one. Yeah, I always scroll it the wrong way. But that's that piece done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click that like button if you did. If you want to see more, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed. Got any comment suggestions? Leave them comments below. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.